benefits and health benefits among the general public. Now I would like to move on my next slide. This is types of millets. Normally there are two types of millets, major millet and minor millet. In major millets we have corn millet, foxtail millet, proso millet, finger millet. We call normally proso millet is bajra, jowar, chena, ragi, and in our minor millet is kodu millet, wheaten millet, grainer millet, brown top millet, and land millets. So now we will discuss about corn millet. Corn millet means bajra. Now I am telling about the benefits of bajra. Reduces cholesterol, promotes bone health, aids in weight loss, and it is very beneficial for BP patients, diabetes patients. Now I am telling about the uses. We use millet in khichdi, roti, upma. Now you see this figure. Now you see this figure, and this figure you see carefully, so you know about this. The protein in bajra is 10.96 gram and calcium in 27.35 milligram. Now we will discuss about foxtail millet, proso millet. Now we will discuss about finger millet, means ragi. It reduces blood pressure, blood glucose level, and repair injured muscles, and uses its dosa, chila, cookies, and you see this figure, nutrition per 100 gram. This in protein, 7.16 gram in ragi. Now we will discuss about nutrition content in millets. Corn millets. The quantity of fiber in corn millet is 1.3 gram, and the quantity of protein in proso millet is 12.5 gram. Now we will discuss about nutritional importance of millets. Millets are high in nutritional content. Millets need very little water for their production. That's why we will grow in our deserted areas like Rajasthan and some parts of India, some parts of Haryana. Millets are 3 times nutritionally superior to rice and wheat. As you know, India is world's largest state and largest country in millet production. Now we will discuss about our next topic. My next topic is promotion of millets in diets. Due to the high nutritive value and other benefits of millets can include it in our diet as breakfast, staple food, snacks. For diabetic patients it is very good. Now millets help you lose weight. Now we will discuss our reference. So thank you for giving me a golden opportunity for here, and thank you and have a nice day.